A frequent question. A lot of those living in Europe face the difficulty of praying on time. And their bosses, due to racism, due to different reasons, would not allow them to pray on time. So he says, if I pray before time, this is not possible. And if I pray after Dhuhr time, then this is qada. So what to do? Akhi, you must pray on time. Full stop. Allah says, Inna salata kanat ala al-mu'minina kitaban mawquta. Verily, prayer has been prescribed at given times. So you must pray your prayer on these given times. Now, to my knowledge, you have the ability to answer the call of nature. So if you have to go, you have to go. So if you want to go to the toilet, will they say, no, you have to sit? Simply, you just go and go to the toilet. You have breaks. People usually have a break to go for a smoke or to go for a coffee break. And this usually happens every hour or a couple of hours. So these breaks, you can go, perform wudu, pray your farz prayer without the sunnah, and this would not even take more than 7 minutes of your time per fard. And if you're observing your wudu, it may take only 5 minutes of your time. So you can do this. You don't have to announce it. Listen, this is my flag. I'm going for prayer. No, I'm going to the toilet. You go to the toilet. You didn't say any lie. And you pray afterwards. Because this is the prayer of Allah Azza wa Jal. Now, postponing the prayer until the time is out, this is not permissible unless there is a legitimate reason. A surgeon operating on a patient, Dhuhr time comes, and if he stops to pray Dhuhr, there would be problems and consequences. So it's permissible for him to delay Dhuhr and pray it with Asr. This is an urgent matter, and this is not every single day. A person who is having a midterm exam or the final exams of the year, and it coincides with Maghrib and Isha. So he goes before Maghrib, sunset, and it extends until Isha time. In this case, we say combine Maghrib and Isha, no problem. But for you, Akhi, this is a make it or break it issue. So you have to pray on time. There is no problem in having a compromise or an agreement with your boss that, listen, I'll stay half an hour after working hours to compensate any loss of my time. But other than that, no. You cannot delay your prayer without a legitimate reason. May Allah Azza wa Jal make it easy for all of the brothers and sisters living in Kafir land.